What's up, guys? You can't see my face. This thing. With the music. You can't see my face. We're gonna go to fireworks. I know you can just see a black screen. It's night. So I'll see you when we get there and when it starts. Okay, guys. I am back. Fireworks, 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 fireworks. I'll tell you all about it when we get home. Bye. Enzo, I love you. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot. I have to tell you all about the fireworks yesterday. The cutout. Yes, That's Enzo. Yeah, totally. Yeah, so yesterday it was like the biggest fireworks, and then we saw a car like blow up, like literally blow up. We saw like a car blow up, guys, and then it was like shaking on the ground.
So that's why we had to go away.
And something bad happened, really bad. Okay.
What is it?
So something just like the fireworks run out because like water spilled on it. We had to go home. And because of illegal fireworks, illegal ones.
Who?
A car blew up. Someone used illegal fireworks.
We just use poppets.
Poppets, you just throw on the ground. So that's fine. And then Enzo blowed it up. We just found out.
Stayed home
No, Enzo blowed it up. He because he wanted to come with us. So he just got really mad. So he blowed up the car.
You're going to use poppets. He's going to pop it with his foot. Aww. Look at his tongue. Look at his tongue.
Guys.
It looks like a stupid tongue.
Guys. And see you next video. We had to do a new one because we just finished this one. So yeah. Bye.